goes. Just the way it goes.
Here at Pan Pacific University, the food stalls aren't just serving meals and drinks. They are serving energy, creativity, and community. Today, we are featuring Cafe Cherry menu, a crowd favorite that keeps everyone coming back for more.
What kind of drinks are you serving to this event, Kuya?
We're serving coffee, non-coffee, and refreshers.
How do you ensure this drink is safe?
We ensure that this drink is safe because we use fresh products, fresh milks, coffees, and non-coffee drinks.
How do you keep your working area clean even when customers are rushing in?
We keep the working area clean because we use panel system. Like there's other person pulling the shots and me is taking orders and finishing the shots, the drink.
Behind the counter, sanitation is serious business. Hairnets, gloves, and clean utensils, these are more than just requirements. They are signs of professionalism and care. Every dish starts with discipline, and that's what keeps our campus food culture safe and satisfying. From mixing drinks to serving, the cafe never stops moving. The rush gets real, but teamwork and timing make the magic happen. Each drink reflects passion, a perfect mix of taste, texture, and hustle. What makes their drink a hit is not just the flavor, it's the heart behind it. Affordable, flavorful, and made with pride. This drink captures the spirit of PUFest, fun, friendship, and Filipino creativity.
Magbabagsakan dito, kailangan ng mag-ingat at ang huling bagsakan, siklap tayo ng babanat.
Bato-bato sa langit ang tamay, huwag magaling, bawal na nakasimangot. Baka lalo kong pumangat pero okay lang. Di naman kami mga suplado, sumabay ka sa amin na para naka-aeroplano sa tunog ng gitara. Kasama ng pinakamalupit na banda. Pati si Kiko, magaling, di pa rin kaya na bata. Parang awit na lagi mong binabalik-balik ka. Stop, rewind, play mo. Napakasaya na para bang birthday ko. Alam mo na siguro ibig ko sabihin din na kailangan pa ang paikot-ikotin. Baka lalong matagalan na lumapit ang makinig para yung maintindihan. Mga salita sinulat na hindi ko pabela, pero pwedeng hilatan na parang banig na higaan. Pag ginawa ka ng mikropono para nabubuwang. Eka di naman siguro, ganyan lang pag gumagawa kami ng bago. Medyo nabibilisan, di mo naisip na pwedeng mangyari. Magkasama-sama lahat ay kasaligay.
Ngayon lang narinig, di na tumadadaig. Nagsama-sama sa bagsakan at naging isang bibig. Mag-ingat-ingat ang at baka masindak sapagkat na